Hey guys, hello everyone, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome guys, welcome. Welcome to today's class. How's everybody doing? Hello, 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 hi Bhumi, hello Sakshi, hello hello Bhumi, hello Ikshita, hello, 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 hello Pragya ji. Yes, obviously I am from Rajasthan, so obviously I know. Hello Priyal, welcome, welcome. Guys, welcome to today's class. I hope all of you are amazing, awesome and wonderful as always. Hi Nirmali, hello Bhavik. How's everybody doing guys? Hello everyone. Hello, hello, hi Sakshi. Very well. How was it Bhumi? How was it? Very good Pranjal, very good Pranjal. Amazing, amazing, very good. Hello Arpan, hello Arpan. Acha, chalo, nice Pragya, nice to know that. All right. Okay. So, guys, welcome to today's class. And as you all know, this is your ASD MCQ series. In this, we'll be starting assertion and reasoning questions. So, many of you were asking, like, sir, when will be doing assertion and reason question for grade 9? So, this is the session right now. All right. So, in this, we'll be discussing the topic which is your number system. Which topic we are discussing? Number system. So this is going to be a Mentee session. All right guys, so this is your schedule for this week. All right, you can see we are right now over here and there are lots of sessions still to come. All right, so please do not miss any of these sessions. Okay, now let us start our session. So the code for joining the Mentee is 9012956. All right guys, this is the code for joining the Mentee, and those who are new here, those who don't know me, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu. Alright, I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad, been teaching from the past 5 years. You can see the credentials on your screen. Okay guys. Sir, show assertion and reason first, so we have time to read it properly. Okay, we'll do that. Okay guys, now before I move on, let me tell you the directions. What are the options going to be? So you'll be getting 4 options, A, B, C, D, and you will be given 2 statements, assertion and reason. First, read both the statement. If you feel that any one of them is wrong, the approach is first read both the questions, both the statements, and if you feel that any one of them is wrong, the answer is going to be C or D. If reason is false, answer will be C. If assertion is false, answer will be D. If any one of them is false. Now, if you found out that both are correct, in that case your answer will be either option A or option B. It will be option A if both A, assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. And option B will be when both are correct but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Alright, so these are the 4 options throughout all the questions. The same options we will be using. Alright guys, so quickly join the Mentee. The code for joining the Mentee is 9012956. Alright guys, quickly waiting for you all, and thank you so much to all the students who have liked this video. The code is 9012956. Hello Navya, hello Surikha ji, hello Sakshi. Quickly, hello Vipul, good evening beta, good evening. Quickly join the Mentee guys. Alright, okay, chalo. So first what I'll do, I'll show you the question. You read the question and then decide what it is. Okay, the question is this. You can see assertion, you can see the reason as well. You can see the assertion as well as you can see the reason. Okay, assertion 7 raised to the power 8 divided by 7 raised to the power 4 is equal to 7 raised to the power 4. If A is greater than 0, be a real number, and P and Q are rational number, then A raised to the power P into A raised to the power Q is equal to A raised to the power P plus Q. Okay, I'll start the quiz. The question number 1 coming to your way is this. Sorry. हाँ जी, चलो This is the question. Let me know what should be your answer. Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it D? Remember, A means assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is the correct explanation. Option B is assertion and reason both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation. Option C, assertion is true, reason is false. Option D, assertion is false and reason is true. Think and answer. So much, guys. Think carefully. Be quick. Last 15 seconds now. I want all the students to vote quickly. Last 10 seconds now. Last 10 seconds. Be quick. Okay, so guys, the time's up and the correct answer is your option B. Now, how do we get option B? It's very easy, guys. Assertion is correct. 7 raised to the power 8 divided by 7 raised to the power 4. I can say it will be 7 raised to the power 8 minus 4, which is 7 raised to the power 4. Which law we have used? We have used a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. Reason is also true. If a is greater than 0, be a real number, and p and q are rational number, a raised to the power p into a raised to the power q is a raised to the power p plus q. This is also correct. But reason is not the correct explanation. I have not used this identity, whereas I have used the division rule. Alright? Okay. So it is going to be that both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. Okay. Let's look at the leaderboard, guys, after this question. So after this question, in the leaderboard, let's see who do we have. All right. So Krishna, Amit sir का session बाद में. Okay, Krishna, Navya, Dhatri, Vipul, Panjol, Padya, Anil, Bhumi, Arpan. High five beta Arpan. Pragya, I love Mirchi Veda. Pragya, definitely you are from Rajasthan. I can know that. Because if you are loving Mirchi Veda. Nirmali, the Maths Emperor. Oh, kya baat hai. Nice. Amazing. Alright. So this is the leaderboard, guys, right now. And let's move for our second question. I am showing you the second question right now. The second question is this. You can read the second question quickly. Read the question, guys. Read the question carefully. Sakshi, Bache, I can see the chat right now, and if you are, spend more time on reading the question carefully. That's why I'm showing you the question right now first. Read the question carefully. Rational number lying between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 3 by 8. Reason, rational number lying between two rational number x by y, x and y is half of x into y. True, false, let's see. Okay, chalo guys. So I'll start the quiz. Question number 2 coming to your way is this. Let's see. Let's see how do you solve this question. Is it A, B, C or D? Is it A, B, C or D? Karthik, you need to join the Mentee to give the answer. So what you need to do is you need to go to www.mentee.com. Once you go there, they'll ask you a code to enter into the quiz. The code if you'll see, I'll show over here at the top. Alright, here 9012956. Enter that code, you'll enter into the quiz, and then you can answer over there. Be quick, be quick, be quick. Let's see what should be your answer. Is it both are correct and correct explanation? Both are true but not the correct explanation? Assertion is true, reason is false. Assertion is false but reason is true. Let's see. Right? Okay. So guys, the time is over, and the correct answer this time is actually the reason is false. This time the reason is false. I can see many of you have given me option A as your answer also. Some of you have given me B as your answer as well, but the correct answer is your option C. Now understand why. It's a very simple thing, beta. Whenever we want a rational number between two rational numbers, we have this method that if we have two numbers A and B, between them we'll get A plus B by 2. Similarly, here we have 1 by 4, here we have 1 by 2. So I will say 1 between them, I will say 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 3 by 4 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 3 by 8. Right? So what we have told, if we have two numbers, the number in between them is A plus B by 2. Here it is X into Y by 2. This is wrong. But suppose if I have two numbers 2 and 3. Between them I cannot say na 2 into 3 divided by 2, they go 3 I am getting. 3 is not between them, 3 is the sidewise. 3 is the number. So it is not satisfying, right? So this reason is false, assertion is correct. Reason is false, assertion is correct, and that's why as soon as I got to know that any one of them is correct, I'll go for option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. So even if you will not do this calculation, beta, suppose if you will not do this calculation, you don't have to check that whether assertion is correct or not. When you read the reason, you will get to know that reason may the number should be x plus y by 2, whereas it is x into y by 2. As soon as you got reason is false, obviously assertion has to be true. There is no option in which both are false. So as soon as you get any one of them false, directly go for C or D. Okay guys, okay? So option C will be your correct answer. Let's look at leaderboard. Beta, the code for Mentee is 9012956. Okay, so guys, after this question, who do we have in the leaderboard? We have Panjol Padya, Anil, Dhatri, Nirmali, Vipul, Richa, Krishna, Priyal, Navya and Bhumi, and Priyal is the first student to give the correct answer. Let's go for our next question. Wait, we'll go for our next question. So the next question is over here. You can read the question quickly. Okay, take care. Alright, assertion, reason. Let's start. Question number 3 coming to your way is this. Let's see. Beta period, no worries, yeah, no worries. You can still join. Chalo, quickly guys. Be quick. Last 30 seconds. Chalo, be quick. 3, 2, 1 and the time is up. Alright guys, so the correct answer, we have got it. Very well done. It's an easy question, right? Root 5 is an irrational number. It is true. A number is called irrational if it cannot be written in the form of p by q. Yes, it is true, and this is the correct explanation. Root 5 we cannot write it in p by q where p and q are integers. Q is not equal to 0. So option A will be your correct answer. That's fairly easy. Alright, let's look at the leaderboard guys after this question. So now we have finished 3 questions, and in the leaderboard, let's see who do we have. So we have after this question Dhatri, Panjol, Anil, Nirmali, Vipul, Richa, Krishna, Priyal, Bhumi and Aradhya Jain. And Krishna and the Priyal are the first student to give the correct answer, as well as Dhatri and the competition is very close. Especially if you'll see the top 3, 2983, 2981, 2980. Okay, so anything can happen. Just give your 100%. Let's go for our next question guys. Next question is this. Sum of two irrational number is irrational. sum of two irrational number is always an irrational number. Think and answer. Beta Priyal, again and again I have discussed this thing. 22 by 7 is the approximate value of pi, not the exact value. Okay, so guys, I'll start the question. Question number 3 coming to your way. Sorry, question number 4 coming to your way is this. Alright, so Priyal, that 22 by 7 is a rational number, but it is not exactly equal to pi, it is approximately for calculation purpose. Exact value of pi is an irrational number. Okay, chalo beta, quickly let me know, is it A, B, C or D? Let's see. Please avoid misclicking, है ना? Try to be careful when you are giving your answers. Very important thing to understand. Be quick, guys. Okay, so everyone has voted, guys, and the correct answer over here we have got it, option C. Now here, देखो, first thing, if you will see, sum of two irrational numbers 2 plus root 3, and if I add 4 plus root 3, I will be getting 2 plus 4 6 plus 2 root 3, which is again irrational. So it is true. Reason is false, because if I add an irrational number plus an irrational number, the answer may be rational or irrational. It can be anything. For example, if I add root 3 and root 3, my answer is 2 root 3, which is irrational. But if I add root 3 and minus root 3, in that case my answer is 0, which is rational. So sum can be anything. The sum can be anything. So I will say, sir, the reason is a false statement. Reason is false, that means option C. Reason is false, that means option C. So this is a very good question, beta. Many times students get confused in this section. Alright, so remember, sum of two irrational number may be rational, may be irrational. It can be anything. Okay guys, let's move ahead with the leaderboard. Let's see what is going on in the leaderboard. So after 4 questions, oh ho ho ho, chalo, Dhatri has taken a huge lead right now. Okay, chalo, so after this, oh ho ho, very huge jumps I can see. Dhatri, Nirmali, Priyal, Panjol, Padya, Anil, Aradhya, Vipul, Suryansh, Navya and Richa. Chalo, very well done guys, and Priyal is the first student to give the correct answer. Let's move ahead with your question number 5. You can read the question number 5 first over here. Quickly. Sakshi beta, we are going for the 5th question. Chalo, let's move ahead guys. Question number 5 coming to your way is this. Let's see what should be your answer. A, B, C or D? Quickly. Think and answer. Think and answer. Let's see. Last 10 seconds guys, last 10 seconds. You can all vote quickly because it's comparatively easy. It's very easy. 3, 2, 1 and the time is over. So beta, very well done. This time I hope all of you understood this. So in the leaderboard, let's see. So after 5 questions, who do we have in the leaderboard? Almost all of you have getting marks in this. So we have Dhatri, Nirmali, Priyal, Panjol, Anil, Aradhya, Vipul, Suryansh, Navya and Bhumi. Priyal is the first student to give the correct answer. Dekho beta, in this first is correct. I think first question we have used it. Rational number lying between two rational number x and y is half of x plus y. Reason is definitely false because does not exist only one. No, there are infinite rational number lying between any two rational number. So assertion is true, reason is false. Alright guys, okay. So we have finished half of the quiz. 5 more questions. Anything can happen. Just make sure you are focusing on all the questions. Try to give the correct answer and try to be quick as well. Alright. Okay. Now guys, before I move ahead, let me tell you about Vedantu's Pro subscription. And right now, as you know, the term 1 is very near, within 2 months. Like in the month of November, your term 1 will be conducted, which will be your final examination, right? 2 phases, and you need to give your best in that exam. You need to score your highest in that exam. All right, so all this practice which we are doing over here, we are doing it for our term 1. Now if you think that your concepts are not clear, you are not very clear about the chapters, you are not sure whether which questions are important, how to prepare for examinations, you need a guide who will support you coming this 2 months, then Vedantu's Pro subscription is there for you. One very good course over there, which is Vedantu's grade 9th term 1 crash course. In that we'll be covering all the topics which are there in term 1 of all the subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST, English. Alright, so you can register for those by the link mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. And also, if you'll apply GPE Pro, this coupon code will give you 10% off. Alright, so guys, remember 30th September, this coming 30th September is the last date for VIP enrollment for this academic year. Alright, so grade 9 term 1 crash course is a really good course, guys. If you want to see how you can register, just go to the description box of this video as well as in the pinned comment. Here you can see grade 9 term 1 crash. Now that's a very good course because the price of this course also is really very very less. Alright, Pro Lite after applying GPE Pro will be available to you at 4,500 and Pro Classic will be available to you at 4,950. So both the courses you can see, and this is the fee for all the subjects, all the chapters of term 1, and this is not the monthly fee, this is the fee for the whole course. Even if you go for the tuition, that is going to be way more expensive than this. Alright, because we are covering all the subjects, and that too with your favorite master teachers. So out of these two, Pro Lite you get the access to live classes, test series, assignments and doubt solving in the class. Pro Classic you get access to doubt solving on the mobile app as well. So you can ask unlimited doubts on the mobile app, 24/7 doubt solving support you'll get. So Pro Classic is a very good course in this range. You are paying only 450 extra, but you get access to doubt solving app. That's a good thing. Other good course is if you want to go for the year-long course. If you want to go for the year-long course, click the next link over here, CBSE 9th. Click on this link, CBSE 9th. In this, guys, you have 3 types of courses: Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. You can see after applying GPE Pro, 10% off, reduced prices these are. Now Pro Lite and Pro Classic, you know the features. In Pro Plus you get personal mentor as an additional feature. So they will be taking care of your progress. They'll make sure that wherever you are facing difficulty, that difficulty is sorted. So you get more personalized support, a very rock solid support you get with this. Alright, any other query, guys, just go to the bottom of this page. Your queries will be answered. Alright, so you can buy the complete course, and especially in this year-long course, guys, EMI option is also available. Alright, so you just have to click buy on complete course, and then rest your parents will do. Okay guys, okay, let's move ahead with our question number 5. Achha, one more thing, that these prices which I have shown, don't think that all the chapters you can study only once in this price. You can study all the chapters as many times as you want, because you get access to unlimited micro courses as well. Alright, now this is your question number 6, guys. Just go through it quickly. Sir, can you do triangle? Yes, we'll do all the sessions, beta, one by one. 0.329 is a terminating decimal. A decimal in which a digit or a set of digits is repeated periodically is called a repeating or a recurring decimal. Let's see what should be your answer. Alright, for this question, let's see what should be your answer. Question number 6. Let's see, guys. Quickly answer. Be quick. Be quick. Beta, Mentee code Richa, Mentee code is written at the top. See, 9012956. Beta, frozen note tips, so obviously study well, revise well. Nothing else. What else? Be quick. Okay, chalo bhai, last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and the time is over. So this question is very easy. Option B will be your correct answer. Dekho, bhai, 0.329 is a terminating decimal. Yes, only 3 digits. Number of decimal digits is finite. Terminating decimal. Reason is also correct. If in a decimal the digits repeats, it will be a repeating or recurring decimal. But explanation, no, there is no explanation. It is not the correct explanation, right? Is it explaining why it is terminating? No. So I will say option B. Both are correct but not the correct explanation. Alright guys, ठीक है, let's go for our next question. Before that, let's look at the leaderboard. So after this question, oh. Chalo, so now we have a new topper right now. Dekho, this Mentee keep on changing. So now Nirmali is at the top, the Maths Emperor as the name is. Alright, then Priyal, the first student to give the correct answer. Panjol, Dhatri, Anil, Navya, Vipul, Bhumi, Aradhya and Suryansh. Alright beta, theek hai. Let's go for our next question. Question number 7. Read the question carefully. Rationalizing factor, if you don't know, rationalizing factor means the number which we multiply and divide to rationalize a given number. ठीक है? Beta Uday, देखो, एक term 1 MCQ series we have already launched. Term 1 MCQ series is already launched beta, where we are doing all the questions. ठीक है? Okay, chalo guys, so I'll be starting the quiz. Let's see, your question number 7 coming to your way is this. Okay, give me your answer quickly. Rationalizing factor of 3 plus 2 root 5 is 3 minus 2 root 5. And the reason the product of two irrational numbers is rational, then each one is called the rationalizing factor of the other. Be quick. Term 1 MCQ series, Uday. One series which is Term 1 MCQ. So there I am doing all the important questions. So when we are doing important questions, the revision is also being there. Be quick. Last 10 seconds है बेटा. 3, 2, 1 and the time is over. So बच्चा पार्टी, the correct answer is your option A. देख लो भाई, 3 plus 2 root 5 if we have, suppose 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 5 we have. What we will multiply? We will multiply with 3 minus 2 root 5. So we say 3 minus 2 root 5 is the rationalizing factor of 3 plus 2 root 5. And that the reason is also the correct explanation. Because if I multiply, how do I do rationalization? I multiply two irrational number to get a rational number, right? So I will say option A will be your correct answer. ठीक है? Thank you बजरंग बेटा, thank you बजरंग यार. All right, चलो let's look at the leaderboard, guys. So after 7 questions, 7 questions, let's see who is our topper. So right now, Nirmali, Priyal, Panjol, Dhatri, Vipul, Navya, Bhumi, Anil, Suryansh and Krishna are in the leaderboard. Dhatri and Krishna are the first student to give the correct answer. Okay, let's go for our next question. Question number 8. C. Assertion, reason. Let's see. Your time will start. And now, let's answer. This question is comparatively very easy, na? Very easy. Thank you, Bajrang beta. Thank you so much, yaar. Be quick. Very good, very good, very good, yaar. Be quick. No, Karthik. Uday, देखो भाई, I see this time, since it is going to be MCQ based question, solving the types of question will be more important. ठीक है? And already there are many series right now, so I'm already covered up with lots of series right now. So what you are saying, I'm trying to understand. I'm understanding what you are saying, but as soon as I will be able to finish some of the series, then we'll start about that. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. So here यार, I know it is very easy. Assertion is true, 5 is a rational number, reason is false, because square root of all positive integers is irrational is false. It may be rational, it may be irrational. Root 4 is what? 2, rational number. So I will say the reason is false, option C. Done. Simple. Simple है, easy है. Okay, चलो. Let's look at the leaderboard. Question number 8 we have finished. Let's see. So after 8 questions, अरे Bhumi ji, why you made mistake in this one, yaar? Okay, so we have Nirmali, Priyal, Dhatri, Panjol, Navya, Vipul, Anil, Suryansh, Bhumi and Arpan in the leaderboard. Very well done. High five, bacha. Okay, so let's go ahead with our next question. Question number 9. Before that, guys, you can see Vedantu students have once again shown that they are the best. You can see we have got awesome ranks, and this is the toppers new address. There are total 444 students selected in top 5000 and 68 students in top 1000, है ना? So you can say all India rank 35, 113, 139 is from Vedantu. 78 students have scored 99.9 plus percentile. So you are at a really good place, and if you'll follow what we are teaching, just be attentive, you'll definitely reach your success, you'll definitely get good marks. All right, just focus and give your 100%. Okay, chalo bhai, this question, read the question carefully. Be quick. Uday, देखो, instead of say waiting for something, I would rather suggest rewatch the sessions. Anyhow, the same thing. Main thing is solving the questions, which we are doing in the term 1 MCQ series, right? So if you want to do the revision, you can rewatch the sessions and then start the term 1 MCQ. I'm saying this because I don't want you to wait on anything, है ना? You have to start preparing on your own. Okay, chalo guys, let's start the question. Question number 9 coming to your way is this. Okay, chalo, let's see. 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Sum of a rational and an irrational number is always an irrational number. A, B, C, D, what it is. Let's see. Be quick. Oh, everybody answered so quickly. क्या बात है यार, this is the first time I'm watching. Yes, it's true, है ना? Assertion is correct. 2 plus root 3 is irrational number. Reason is also true, because if we add a rational plus an irrational number, my answer is always irrational, and it is the correct explanation. Rational plus irrational is always irrational. Option A. क्या बात है, amazing यार. This really shocked me. Okay, so let's look at leaderboard, guys. So after this question, let's see who do we have in the leaderboard. We have Nirmali, Priyal, Dhatri, Panjol, Navya, Anil, Suryansh, Vipul, Bhumi and Arpan. And Dhatri, Navya and Bhumi, 3 students who are the first to give the correct answer. Now guys, let's go for our last question. Question number 10. This is your question. Think and answer. Okay. ठीक है. चलो भाई. Let's see question number 10. Quickly. बेटा ज्योति, practice the problem यार. Trigonometric identities again. Practice. Yes, yes, that's true. Because there are many series going on right now. चलो भाई, be quick यार. Last 40 seconds. Be quick. It's a easy question. Be quick. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1 and the time is over. So we have got the correct answer. Option D will be your correct answer. It's very easy. Here assertion is false, because if I have 11 raised to the power 3 plus into 11 raised to the power 4, it will be 11 raised to the power 3 plus 4, which is 11 raised to the power 7. Reason is the correct statement, so I will say definitely assertion is false, reason is true. Option D. Alright bacha, ठीक है. So this is all in today's class. Let's look at our final leaderboard. Alright, so at the end, the student who is the topper, chalo bhai. So we have Nirmali, the Maths Emperor, as the name is saying. Very well done, Nirmali. Very well done. Amazing work. After Nirmali, I can see Priyal and Dhatri are at the second and third place. So very well done, bachcho. Very well done. Amazing work from all of you. And you saw that some of the questions, how the questions tricks you, right? So it's very important that whatever question you did not made it correct, try to see where you got confused, and work on those as well. All right, and in the exam, please don't make any mistake. Okay guys, so this is all from my side. Thank you so much for joining the session, and I would like to thank all the students who have liked this video as well. Thank you so much guys. I hope all of you enjoyed it. I'll see you soon. Tab tak ke liye bachcho, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.